for you guys out there. So how about it? Are you guys still enjoying this show? Are you still enjoying this show? Are you still enjoying this show? That's better! You got Chucky Norris, Sarah Guthrie! How was that? Here we go. Joel Brown and Josh Hunter, they're not done and dusted yet. Here they come. In the kick a recliner. And a recliner. How was that, Dubai? Turn off the music, sir. Let's enjoy ourselves a little bit more. But we're not going anywhere. Why would we? We're in one of the most amazing places in the world. So we're not going to pick up just yet. We're enjoying ourselves just a little bit too much. So here we go. I know Chucky, let me have another go. I want to have another go. Here we go. Chucky Norris and Aaron Guthrie. Chucky! Oh, big Ella. I got hung up a little bit. Oh, what a time. This is the EMA ARD Australian Ensign Freestyle Motocross team going absolutely bonkers out here this afternoon. Joel Brown and Josh Hunter. Every nose left, one goes right. Synchronised trick. Alright. You know what, we're going to have to pack this up very, very shortly. One, because I'm exhausted. Two, because I know that these guys, they will ride all day and all night if they can. And as long as this wind is the way it is right now, which is absolutely